This is the Taurus 856. It's a 38 special revolver. It holds 6 in the chamber. And before we head to the range to shoot this Taurus 856, let's switch the grip again. I don't like this grip. It's off here in the back, doesn't fit well here, and here on the bottom, it's not fitting across here. It's digging into my hand here also. So let's take this off and send it back. I got this grip on Amazon, and what I did was ordered a Hogue grip for it. So let's put a rubber grip on here and see how that does. We'll ship it back to them the same way they shipped it to me. The hole here has to match up with the hole here in your grip. So let's just slip that on. We need to back our screw out just a little bit. Just going to use the screw to help hold that in place till I get this in it. Well, that slipped in pretty easy. Let's go ahead and take the screw out so we can put it on. Thought that roll pin was going to be a little more difficult to put in, but that was way too easy to go in. We'll center it up on each side here. If you guys can see inside there, there's a little groove in there that you've got to slide this piece in to get it to go on. So let's see if we can center that up, slip it right in there. So we got it in the groove, and we're just going to try to rotate it through. There we go. Once we get it lined up, seems to be sliding in pretty good. Perfect fit here and here, which is the problem we had with that other one. And then all we need to do is drop our screw in the bottom and tighten it up. Get a little bit bigger screwdriver here. We can put a little pressure on it, help it find its way in. There we go. Just need a little pressure so it would grab and turn. Just want to snug it down. I actually think it looks better, the all black grip on the black gun with the black optic. Way better fit. Actually feels a lot better in my hand also. That wood was digging into my palm here. Alright. So now that we got our grip that we're going to use and our optic on here, guys, let's head to the range and put some ammo through this thing and see how it does with our optic. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms. Till next time, folks, take care.